Okay, this category, it's about work problems, percentages, and ages. Amira spends 60% of her monthly salary on personal necessities. If she spends 900 KD on her necessities, then her monthly salary is. Okay, so this is a normal percentage problem, so like always we write percent, and then we're gonna write whatever we're comparing with the percent. Here it's money. So she spends under percentage, we always write 100. The original amount of money, which is her monthly salary, that's the unknown, that's what we don't know. And she spends 60%, which is equivalent to 900 KD. So cross multiply, so x will be equal the two numbers together divided by the number with x. So 100 times 900 divided by 60. So you can cancel 1 0 with 1 0. You can divide here by 3 and here by 3. So this is gonna be 100 times 90 divided by 3, which is 30, over 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. So that's 50 times 30, which is 15, and put the 2 zeros. So the answer is 1500. Okay, if x% of 5 equals 11, then x is. So another percentage problem. Here is the percent, here is the value. Okay, 100%, it represents the original value. What is the original value? The value he's calculating of, if x% of 5, then that 5 is the original value. And x%, that's what we're looking for. That x% is equivalent to 11. Again, cross multiply. So x equals 100 times 11 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So that's 20 times 11, which is 220. Okay, prices increased by 10% in January, then increased again by 10% in February. If the price of an item was 100 KD at the beginning of January, what is the price at the beginning of March? So this is percentage done twice. So here we have the first increase. So our percentage here is 100, okay, and the money is 100. It increased, the first increase was 10%. So add 10% to the 100, that's 110. And we need to find what is the value. So x equals these two times each other, 100 times 110, divided by the number with x, which is the 100. 100 goes with 100, so the answer is 110. So this is the first increase. Okay, the second increase, we also have the percent and the money. Okay, our original money now, it's the money after the first increase. So our 100% now is 110. And we're gonna add another 10% and the new money, let's call it y since we already used x. Cross multiply, so y equals 110 times 110 divided by 100. Two zeros will cancel with two zeros, so we end with 11 times 11, which is 121. Okay, the price of a cookbook increased by 10%. Which of the following cannot be the new price of the book after the increase? So this is a trial and error problem. You need to try all of the prices. I will try, let's first try A, for example. So we have the percent, okay, and we have the money or the value, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have the percentage is 100. We don't know what the original money is, okay, and the increase is 10%, so the new percentage is 110, and the new price, let's try A, which is 12.10. Let's cross multiply and try to see if the original money will be found or not. So 110, now let's do it next to it. So x will be equal 100 times 12.10 over 110. So multiplying a decimal by 100, it means the decimal will be moved twice. So this is equal 1210 over 110. 0 goes with 0. 121 divided by 11, it can be divided. So it's gonna give you 11. So this one, it can be a new price. So when can't it be a new price? When you try them out with the final these two numbers, they are not divisible, or they would give you a non-terminating decimal. So next, just to save time, I'm gonna try D. So here is percent and here is money. So the percent is 100. We don't know the original money. The new percent, it has an increase of 10%, and the new money is 7.6. Let's do the same. So x would be equal 100 times 7.6 divided by 110. Move the decimal twice. So that's going to be 760 divided by 110. 0 goes with 0, which is 76 divided by 11. 76 isn't divisible by 11, so this indeed is the price that can't, or this is the number that can't be the price of the book. So the answer is D. Why? Because these aren't divisible. Divisible with an I, anyway. Okay, this is similar, same idea. I'm not gonna solve it. It's exactly the same idea. Same thing, but not percentage. A student works an average of 45 hours a month for a monthly salary of 900 KD. So this is normal comparison between hours and money. So we have 45 hours that generates 900 KD. If she wants to earn 1,200, she needs to work how many hours? First, we need to know what type of variation that is. So the more money, or the more hours she works, the more money she's gaining. So this is clearly a direct variation. So normal cross multiply. So x will be equal 1,200 times 45 over 900. 2 zeros goes with 2 zeros, and 45 divided by 9 is 5. So that's 12 times 5, which is 60. So she needs to work 60 hours. Okay, Ahmed has a number of pens. Muhammad has 3 times as many pens as Ahmed, and Faris has twice as many pens as Muhammad. If the sum of their pens is 40, then the sum of Muhammad's and Faris's pens is. We have Ahmed, he has a number of pens, so Ahmed has X, Muhammad has 3 times as Ahmed, so 3x. And then Faris has twice as many as Muhammad, so twice means 2 as Muhammad, so 2 times 3x. All of this is equal to the sum, which is 40. So that's gonna be x plus 3x with these 2 times 3 is 6 equals 40. So 4x plus 6, that's 10x equals 40. Divide by 10, divide by 10. 0 cancel with 0, so x is equal to 4. He wants who? He wants Muhammad and Faris. So Muhammad and Faris. Muhammad is 3x, so Faris is 6x, so together they are 9x, which is 9 times 4, which is 36. Okay, the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 45. The largest of these numbers is, okay. When he gives you such a problem, you need to assume your numbers. So let the numbers be x, and then the following one would be x plus 1, and the one after would be x plus 2. So these are 3 consecutive. Consecutive, it means they are following each other. Okay? So when you add them, because he said the sum, you're getting 45. So x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 45. Add the x's. So that's 3x. Add the numbers. Plus 3 equal 45. Move the 3 to the other side to be a negative 3. So we're gonna have 3x equals 42. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x equals 42 divided by 3, I think it's 14. So the answer, لا ما طلعتش 14. 42 divided by 3. ادي كده 1 و 12 divided by 3 is 4. It is 14. Did I do something wrong? X 3x plus 3. Oh, he's not, yeah, x is 14, but he's not looking for x. He wants the largest of the numbers. The largest is x plus 2. So the largest number is x plus 2, which is 14 plus 2, which is 16. See, I'm a teacher and they almost got me. طيب. If the sum of Ahmad's and Badr's age is 12 years greater than the sum of Badr's and Muhammad's age. So Ahmad and Badr, so A plus B is means equal 12 years greater, so 12 plus the sum of Badr and Muhammad. Badr plus Muhammad. By how many years is Muhammad younger than Ahmad? So we want a relationship between Muhammad and Ahmad. Easy, because we can actually subtract Badr from both sides. So Ahmad would be equal to 12 plus Muhammad. So Ahmad is 12 years older than Muhammad. Okay, Mona is 6 years older than Ahmed and Sami is 5 years older than Mona. If the sum of their ages is 41, then the sum of Ahmed and the sum of Ahmed and Mona's age is. Okay, so we clearly can see that Ahmed is the youngest So Ahmed is X, and then we have Mona. She is 6 years older than Ahmed, so Mona is X plus 6. And then we have Sami, who is 5 years older than Mona, not than Ahmed. So the same age as Mona, and then add 5 to that. And when you add all of that, their ages is equal to 41. So how many x's? 1, 2, 3. So 3x. What about the numbers? 6 plus 6, 12, plus 5, 17, equals 41. Send that 17 as a negative 17 to the other side. So we would have 3x equal 41 minus 17, that's 24, divided by 3, divided by 3. So x equals 8. Okay, what does he want? He wants Ahmed and Mona. So Ahmed plus Mona. Ahmed is x, Mona is x plus 6, and we just found that x is 8. So that's 8 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 8, that's 16, plus 6, that's 22. And this concludes the ideas for the previous exam. I hope this file or this video becomes beneficial for you. This was Mr. Ahmed Warshan. Wish you all the luck.